Hi, welcome to a how-to guide on how to remove and clean the detergent drawer on a Hotpoint Aqualtis like this. Now normally the door is shut, and it could be open, but the detergent drawer on these is located actually behind the door. So open the door, got to open it fairly wide so we can gain access, and inside we've got our detergent drawer right here. So what we'll do, we'll pull it open. Now to remove it, we've got this blue push button here, which isn't really working too well. It's already pushed down, so because it's already pushed down and it's not coming, just simply give it a good pull and it will remove anyway. Couple of things, all this here is so hard on that nothing will actually remove it, not even basically what is citric acid or bleach. Bleach has not removed it. Citric acid hasn't moved it, nothing will shift it. It's that hard on. And weirdly, we've got all these bits of mould, which is quite unusual considering I cleaned it. It's been basically jetted back out, but we're not really going to touch this because it's actually already clean. What's left here is not hard on. Can you see? It's not hard on mould, so it doesn't need actually scrubbing. To be honest, this doesn't either, but I'm going to show it anyway. Right, so let's get cleaning with this then. So we're going to run the hot water as usual. While that's filling up, we're going to run the hot water through. We're going to take this softener grate out. So what Hotpoint have done is put this little hole here. That's actually for you to get the finger underneath, then pull towards you. And what's unique about this is that, unlike other detergent drawers, which normally have a channel that goes straight under, in fact it looks like they even created it to go straight under originally. Never did. We've actually created it so it goes over into the pre-wash. Unusual. We're also, for a change, going to remove this and give this a clean. Then we're going to refit both this and the softener grate correctly back in after we've finished. The detergent drawer is perhaps not in its best condition at all, but it doesn't affect use, and this is so hard on, it's not going to budge anytime soon. So I'm not worried about that. There's a tiny build up at the sides. We'll give it a scrub, see what we can do. So we'll just get we're going to get some soap, pull that in, and get yourself a scourer that's worth having. That can go in the bin. This will do. Soft. If you want a scourer that's a non-scratch one, which will help, then just simply go through all the compartments, cleaning them. And don't forget to do underneath as well. There we see. Okay, citric acid doesn't remove this, nothing's going to move it. Right. Now this is already pretty much done, so what we're going to do is take our toothbrush, and generally speaking, you need to get your toothbrush between here, around here, across the top there, and the soft gentle sponge on the front there to clean it. You need to keep this track clean for any build up. And generally that's all speaking there is. Now normally it would take me ages to do this, but we're done because unfortunately that's it, that's all I'm going to get with the detergent drawer. Right. We'll put that to one side, we'll take a look at the softener grate. Now this has been done, again it's just not budging at all. Same with the softener grate, you need to just use a toothbrush, rub around there, rub around the actual grate, around the max bit, turn it over, do underneath. But we're actually pretty much done. There's a bit of staining there, that's not going to move, but it's not going to affect performance either. And then this, you need to just keep making sure it's clean. This was full of detergent. Just keep putting your brush through, like that. There we go. Like I said, everything's already clean, so it's a bit odd, this one. Right, so we'll just take this away. While that's draining. Then you're going to just run the cold water. Take that, run it through the holes there. Now, as you can see, they're all clean anyway. And just basically rinse them over with all the soap that's built up. All the soap residue from the washing up liquids. Same with the drawer. Same with that as well. Right. So, we're going to try and refit everything now. So, take this, and we're going to insert it in there. And there we go. As you can see on it, it says push. But of course, we couldn't push before, so we can now. Anyway, that's the stuff to put in, and then we finally want to put this in as well. Softener grate. Now, this is a bit tricky, but if you notice, there's a little groove here. So you want that groove to go between that bit of plastic there into that hole. Can we see? Then we're going to just push down, and it actually clicks into place. So when we turn it upside down, it will not fall out. If it falls out, it's in wrong. Then you just need to take this back to your washing machine now. We're going to put it back in. Right, so putting it back in is easy as. Grab your drawer, line it up, and unfortunately, as you can see with this machine, it's quite prone to rust. You can see around here, basically where the drawer goes. So, put our drawer there, and just bang it in really. Then pull it back out, make sure it stops. Make sure it's also free flowing as well. Now if your drawer starts to get tough to pull out, do not continue using the drawer. Take it out, wash it, and put it back in. What many people do is carry on trying to use it whilst it's all sort of jammed up, and eventually that drawer handle ends up snapping off. These drawers aren't brilliant designed because they do go in sideways and not straight. It's a bit rubbish. Anyway, finally get a cloth and just rub down the drawer front. And there we go, that's it. That is a how-to guide on how to clean the detergent drawer on a Hotpoint Aqualtis washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own machine at home. Thank you for watching.